Alright, what's up guys? So today, mga tuta karon sa Olango Island because natay importante kay himuon. So please join us. Ay uy na nato mga bisita. But anyway, I'll show you our journey towards the mysterious island of Olango. Alright, hello guys. So na namin karon sa Hilton Port pero for 4 PM pa daw yung ilang biyahe pa dulong sa Olango. But DK is already. It is 1 PM, so we have to wait for 2 hours. Pwede ko ito? Say hi Dikoy to the camera. Hi! Kiss Papa, kiss. Okay, reset na po guys yung record dyan, ano? Oh? Oha. Okay, mabalik me. Alright, so now karon we are going to Olango Island already. You can see we are now in progress. In progress. So 4 PM in Gikan, and they say it will only take 20 minutes. So I'll see you. And now finally touchdown after 20 minutes. Now sundan na taning black pick-up para makaadto na ta sa destination. Okay. By the way, kung magsakyanan mo 4 wheels, 900 pesos sa imong bayaran plus plate sa passenger around mga 30 plus man guro to. Among to very good is dili sorry, and due to limited time only a few good among natuan, but it's okay. Karon ang amo ang giadto gid is kini lugar nga makita ang pustiso shark. Mao ni ang pustiso shark. Oh, nice kayo, di ba? Karon mga tuon ta mi sa Caribbean Resort pero ang problema unfortunately sirado gyud, so nangita na lang bigla in town. Karon nakadawog mi na gitawag nga two-piece floating restaurant and then with jet ski. So nangadto na lang make mo try mag jet ski man na lang di mamalganse sa mo ang pag-ani sa Olango. But anyway, atong pangitaon ang two-piece floating restaurant. Be, asa ka to? Okay, so moon ni di ay ang ilahang floating restaurant, two-piece floating restaurant. Pero the reason why nanood kami diri tungod kay nabighan ko sa ilahang jet ski, man na lang diligancy. So that's why if marimog Olango, make sure nga magstay mo for let's say 2 nights at this major rin yung magstay. Oops, sapit ko din maumbot ring dapita kung saan na lang matuwad ka. Okay na ate karga diri nga 1 case of beer. Ay, pero tigin ni kabudlay.
Sit down.
Woo!
Sit down.
And yes, mauni ang view sa two-piece floating restaurant. Okay? And then napita surprisingly kami foreigner kay everyone is Korean. Shocking. Tibog bantaan ni malipay taan ni di ba? If you want a happy life, give your money, your wife, your life. Alright, so human na may paniud to din napita og karon manakay na mig jet ski. Kauban ako si Kobe, Korean ng Bisaya, og sa luyo kanang gaitom si GB, Jermang Bisaya. Ang kanang isa pure Pinoy na. Manakay may karon og jet ski. Let's go. Let's go. So, pagkahuman ani, lakalakaw na lang mi, relax, nagbalaba, bababa. Ay, nako. Karon, it's time to go home. Yes, it was short, but was definitely fun. Alright, next time.